It's 16 feet long. It weighs less than about 500 pounds. And when he gets in, he doesn't sort of climb into it. He wears it, right?
He just wears it like a suit. Calls it like Iron Man, right? If you think of Iron Man from the movies, kind of wearing it. The skin is made entirely out of .02 sheet aluminum, just slightly thicker than a Coca-Cola can.
That's right. But the way that it is built, and it's called semi-monocoque, and it is stretched across a frame, and it gives it incredible strength. So he can experience in excess of 6 times the force of gravity in this airplane.